How can you see your most used apps on the iPad? Let me talk about it. And if this is your first time on this channel on Foxtecc, you can consider subscribing because I have so many tutorials on this channel already and even coming up, and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, to see the most used apps, you have few methods. I personally like to add a widget to my home screen by holding down somewhere to go to the edit mode, tapping edit and adding a new widget. And there is one in particular which is called the Siri suggestions. And what this does is that it is suggesting to me some applications. Like we have the app suggestions as well as shortcuts, but when you select the apps, it's going to give you like a few apps which you use a lot of times on the iPad or on the iPhone. It works the same way, but essentially those apps are going to be the most used ones, especially for that part of the day. So your device kind of knows a lot more about you, so it knows which apps you are using mostly, and this is the apps which will be recommended to you. So this is one way of doing that. But in order to see some information about the usage, the best way to do it is to check out the settings app where you can find the screen time section. And as long as you have it turned on, you should see all of the data. Like you see the information for the week or a day, and you can browse below which apps you have used and for how long. And it's also sorted by the amount of using. So you can see your most used apps for that period, right? You can even go back in a time, like go a few weeks back if you want to see more information. But that's another way how you can check out information about your app's usage and get an idea of which app you're using the most. So I hope I can help you out with it. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.